like 2:30 on a Saturday, and I was supposed to leave earlier than now, but I've had a whole bunch of stuff that I've had to do. I really still do want to go and do something, so I'm gonna jump on the bike and see where I end up. Come on, let's go. Got enough gear to stay, but I don't know. Go for a ride around and see what's what. Well, it's fucking packed, so I don't think I want to stay here. I was going to camp here, but not only is there a children's party going on, it's fucking soggy. I'm just not feeling it. As a result, I'm going home, because there's no sense in hanging about when I'm not feeling it. Nice ride though, beautiful bloody day.